Well, hello friends. This is Carin Lynch at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, where today, as always, we're going to make a simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe. We're going to make a homemade sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. All right, let's take a look at our ingredients. First, we have tomato paste, but if you'd like, you could actually use tomato sauce. But I found tomato paste actually makes a much richer, deeper flavor. But you can buy that 8-ounce can of tomato sauce in place of tomato paste if you'd like. We've got some pineapple juice today, but you can also use apple juice if you have that. Some lemon juice. I have some olive oil, some blackstrap molasses. Now you can use regular molasses if you'd want, but I'm using blackstrap because they have high iron content. We have some grated garlic, and I have some cumin. Here I have some Wright's Hickory Liquid Smoke. I also have some Bragg's Liquid Aminos. This is similar to a soy sauce, except it's not fermented. I have some maple syrup, grated ginger, and smoked paprika. All right, you know my philosophy. The easiest recipes are everything in the blender, everything in the bowl, or everything in the pot. Today, everything in the blender. We're gonna start with our tomato paste. And then just pour in the rest of our ingredients. And then all we need to do is blend. Okay, step 2, once you've blended everything together, you just have to pour it into a saucepan and heat on medium or so until it thickens up, and really just as thick as you'd like it. Okay, as always, the best part of the recipe is when we give it a try. This barbecue sauce is sweet and tangy and creamy and smooth, and it's so delicious. It'll be perfect on anything you would use a bottled barbecue sauce for. Today, I'm using just some dehydrated soy that's kind of like a chicken, and so I'm mixing it with that, and it is perfect. Well, friends, our time is up here at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, but I want to remind you to go to our YouTube channel, DIY Health, or our Facebook page, Wildwood Lifestyle Center. Catch you next time.